POV, you're retiring your parents' online making Fortnite maps. If you guys are looking at this payment screenshot that I've received from Epic Games in June, I've made over $237,000 in the month of June from Epic Games online making Fortnite maps. This is the Fortnite map right here, 10,000 players, and it's made a grand total of $333,000 every single month. So how do I achieve the same success? Because we go onto Fortnite GG and we look here. There's only 46,000 players making Fortnite maps. That means that the competition is very slim thin, which is why I'm showing you this video so you can achieve the same success at the palm of your fingertips, because who doesn't want to retire their parents building video games that everyone plays around the world? Millions of people play Fortnite. Millions of people can play your map and make you millions of dollars. So that is why today I'm going to show you guys the exact necessary steps and requirements you guys need to make more money online making Fortnite maps and exactly start as a beginner like you guys watching this video so you can achieve the same success that you're seeing on screen like myself. This video will be completely raw and unedited, so if I stutter, bear with me. There will be a lot of pauses in this video because this is a one-take shot recording. So let's just get started. So how do I actually make a Fortnite map? What is a Fortnite map? Well, essentially, a Fortnite map is what players can play when they are inside of Fortnite Creative. If we're looking at our screens here, Fortnite has just released a brand new Squid Games mode. And if we look here, bro, they are racking in revenue. Obviously, Epic Games made this, right? 400,000 players 7 months ago, $131,000 in a single day, guys. And this is from Fortnite itself. This map achieves 26,000 players every day, and it's making $26,000 every day. Do you guys not understand the potential here? This is seriously the most untapped business of all time, which is why I'm showing you this. But this is exactly how you guys want to get started making maps, okay? Of course, you guys can join my Discord to actually get started, which is in the top link in the link in the description, to connect with successful individuals all making thousands of dollars a month. We have thousands of people here, millions and millions of content creators that are some of the most influential creators inside of the Fortnite space making maps. You guys have to join the Discord. And little side note, I actually give you guys a starting map for everyone who joins the Discord where they can literally get started for free and post a map and instantly start making money and achieving success. But this is how you guys want to actually start making Fortnite maps. This is exactly what you want to do, okay? So what I want you guys to do is download onto Google and search up the Epic Games Launcher, okay? So this is essentially the platform where you can play Fortnite maps and also download Fortnite yourself, right? Because obviously we've all played Fortnite. We've all engaged with Fortnite. This is how you guys want to be posting your games. You have to download the Epic Games Store and download UEFN, which stands for Unreal Editor for Fortnite. Because if you guys look here, we go to the Epic Games Launcher. Once you guys have downloaded it, all you have to do to start making games is literally go to the search store icon right here and search up Unreal Editor for Fortnite, okay? That's exactly what you have to do. And yes, guys, you do have to be 18 years of age to actually get started making maps. But I'm going to show you how you guys can easily bypass that and get started making money yourselves, okay? I'm glad that you guys are following along with this video because, to be honest, I know I'm talking in like a kind of professional way and it seems like it's kind of like third person. It doesn't feel that authentic, but I want to convey a proper message to you guys that this is seriously like the biggest business of all time. And I'm doing collaborations with celebrities, athletes, musicians. I'm making this the biggest business of all time. And I'm going to be making millions of dollars a month because of you guys. We're doing this together, right? I have a software that literally automates the entirety of the process of making games, dropping early next year or at the end of this year. We already launched 1.0. It was a massive success, but we want to add more attributes and more intelligence to our software, where essentially you can make the thumbnails, you can do accurate coding. We know Epic Games has actually launched their own chatbot, but this is way more practical and useful because you're going to be able to build terrain, water, environment, buildings, assets, visual effects, scene graphing, thumbnails, the entirety of all the processes combined to actually make your Fortnite maps. It's truly incredible, and that is why when you guys are loaded into UEFN, you're obviously not going to know what the hell are you looking at. How do I navigate what I'm looking at? We see build Squid Game Islands, we see build the Walking Dead Islands. What am I looking at, Davey? Can you please walk us down? Because all of you guys, thousands and thousands of comments I get, all of you guys download the wrong engine. You guys are downloading Unreal Engine. And I'm like super confused, right? Because obviously, let me catch my breath here. Because obviously you need coding, right, to build, these successful maps and these successful games, right? Because That is why I built the software that I do now. And it's not just about turning you guys into customers, right? Because obviously I'm selling products that you guys can engage with and purchase, but it's mutually beneficial, right? I put in a lot of time into these products, like my courses and my softwares and my mentorship and guidance. Like, if you guys need help, you can literally reach out to me and I'll mentor and guide you for a short small of change, guys. It really doesn't cost much because you want to be connecting with the top individuals in the map making scene. You don't want to be having yes men who don't know what they're doing and just guiding you and teaching you nothing, which is why I'm going to be teaching you right now the exact in-depth strategies you guys need really for success. Okay? Because we're loading in right now. Let me show you guys exactly what you guys need to do. So we're loading in. We just loaded up an island template. It is called an XL Grid Island. Essentially, that is a flat surface platform where we can actually build upon and distill our environment, our features, our coding, and of course, we can also test out our thumbnails here, but that's not really needed. But this is what we're going to be doing, guys, okay? So we're inside of UEFN right now. Mind you, guys, hold right-click to look around and WASD to actually move around. But you have to hold right-click while you're moving, because right now I'm pressing WASD. Obviously, you can't see my keyboard, but you won't be able to do anything. You have to hold right-click and WASD, okay? And of course, you can change your camera speed right here, move it up and down to change your camera speed. At the bottom left here is the content item drawer. This stores all of the content inside of your games, inside of your worlds. This one right here where it says my project is all of the stuffs inside of my islands. For example, if I were to go to downloads on my computer right now and I were to grab this image here, you can see that it's immediately going to turn it into a texture, but obviously the file size is not accurate, so it's not going to fully load into. So this folder right here is to store all of your content. And the all folder stores everything in the entirety of Fortnite. For example, if I want to search up Launchpad, okay, Launchpad, usually they don't really have the items, but they have it right here. And I can actually drag it down right here, guys. And now we have a fully functional Launchpad that I can make a Zone Wars map with, a Tilted Zone Wars, a gun game, a Go Goated, a Squid Game, you name it, guys. You can seriously do anything imaginable when you guys have the power of creativity by your side, guys. Seriously, everything is awesome when you're part of a team. I promise you that. I promise you that. So seriously, what are you waiting for, guys? Join the Discord in the link in the description to get started making Fortnite maps today and be mentored by the greatest people inside of the space, all making millions of dollars online making Fortnite maps. It's seriously been your boy, Davey Davis. I really do enjoy making these videos. Please subscribe, man, because I want to reach 500,000 subscribers by the end of the year, because I'm making this the biggest of all time. I'm the only person in the entire world doing what I'm doing, and I'm inspiring millions and thousands of people each and every day to get started making Fortnite maps, and I'm blessed to have you guys by my side. And on that note, it's seriously been your boy, Davey Davis. Click the last video on the screen, businesses and sponsorships. You can reach out to my emails down below. I'm out. Peace.